Hi, I'm Donna.
I'm Michelle, and we're the founders of Snore School.
I'm a reformed snorer whose journey started with a high blood pressure diagnosis.
I, too, am a reformed snorer with a 32-year career in speech-language pathology.
We're also best friends.
Together, we're on a mission to educate as many people as we can the benefits of strengthening your tongue for a better night's sleep.
And guess what? Once you strengthen your tongue, there are many other health benefits, such as better posture, better breathing, better digestion, a stronger jawline, and many others.
We've shared a lot of information on the website. We offer self-directed, group, and individual coaching to get you on your journey to better sleep.
Reach out if you have any questions, want to tell us your story, or just chat all things oral myofunctional.